Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. I got a very special video for you guys, and this one is going to be on the HomePod 14.4 software update, specifically for the HomePod Mini, as it does introduce some new and great features, and it's just specific to the HomePod Mini, as the regular HomePod has access to the handoff feature, but it's slightly improved on the HomePod Mini with the HomePod 14.4 software update. So first off, it has the U1 Ultra Band functionality, which is between the HomePod Mini and the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12, since it is the only two devices, so the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 are the only two devices that have the U1 chip. And this U1 Ultra Band is only for the HomePod Mini and is not found in the regular HomePod, as the regular HomePod is actually 2 years old. So what we can do now is just go ahead and give it a try. Now we can perform the transfer, so we just get closer and closer. Once again, it feels like a magnetic feel, like it literally feels like your iPhone is floating at a certain point. The closer you get, the more intense it gets, so we can just get closer. And now you can see that the song will begin playing on my HomePod just like that. So it's a relatively easy transfer, and you actually feel like a noticeable haptic feedback effect. And to get the song back, all you have to do is just put your iPhone right over it, and then it'll transfer the song back to your iPhone and begin playing. So it's pretty straightforward in that way. So this handoff is much quicker and much more noticeable, and I just like this much better compared to the original HomePod. Now, it also gives you some suggestions of songs to listen to when you're not playing any music. Now, I also do like when you're not listening to any music on the HomePod, it gives you suggestions in the Home app of songs to listen to, and it's just called the personal listening suggestions. And the song suggestions are just really good overall, and I just really like this HomePod 4.4 update. It's just very convenient. And overall, I really do like this HomePod 4.4 update. It looks really good, and it works very well on both the HomePod Mini and on an iPhone 11 or iPhone 12 to get the full experience of the U1 Ultra Band functionality, which is a chip in both the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 and the HomePod Mini. So hopefully you enjoyed this video on the HomePod Mini 14.4 software update. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, leave a comment down below, be sure to check out other videos on my channel, be sure to follow me on social media at AppleCritics, and be sure to subscribe for more great content, and thanks for watching.